Ok, baba, on va aller. What do you want, Papa? What do you find? Okay, your drink. I don't go left.
So once you got plenty, and everyone, once you don't reach my 100 before we start, let me know for them.
Yeah, they check on 54 already.
Hey, man, I go here. Wow. Wow, that is great. Once we are 100, let me know.
My brother, 100.
120. Wow.
Yeah. I don't know you more, like maybe 500.
Wow.
200.
Wow. I'm going to my WhatsApp here so I can check. Wow. Okay. So we should come. Okay. Wow. Yeah. The blog their views. Yeah.
Okay, I like about 400 views.
Okay. Sit down now. We are live already now. Sit down now so that we can start now. Hello everyone. Thumb up for everyone. Thumb up. 24-bit update. 24-bit update. Oh, I banned it. I'll check that. I'll check it. Sorry, but I'll check it.
Okay, we are nearly there. We are aiming for 500.
You're already there?
Yes, so please invite your friends. Share.
Update. 24-bit. Wow, this was wonderful. Wow, hello everyone. Greetings from my side. I love you guys. Nice. Let me see if I can see their name. Agbons, Tracy, good evening, Fred, good evening. I can see you guys. I know you are not seeing me, but you see me now. Once we are up to 100 views. Oh, 600. Okay, where is the Ohen Junior? Go. We don't get more than 600 people. Yeah. Good evening, everyone. So I can't open the body down.
You see me? You want to share?
Bring the body down. Good evening, everyone. Any message, let me know.
The message, man, yeah, big. Happy Sunday to you. We did here.
Questions or special requests.
Okay.
Yeah. 24-bit update. Oyabota. I love you guys. Happy Sunday from my side. I'm God in the house. Do your this thing because the volume with the flat. Yeah. Happy Sunday from my hand here. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, wherever you are in the world. Anyway, it's what I'm going in the house here. Understanding.
What understanding? Yeah. Meanwhile, we're in bed on Saturday.
And the guy on the camera is Ohen. Or this okay. And the Nimosi. Right, 24-bit updates. I think you are good to go.
It's going to be a very short video today.
Yes,
very
700
short.
views.
Don't talk too much, just to update us what is going on. And for some time now, we'll be saying, I think I'll do the music here because when my voice is very loud, so they make it out see. Yeah. For some time now, you can say everybody, right?
Yeah, everybody.
Okay. Because here you move there, you make sure you
Nah, everybody. But in Ribi, though, it's difficult. You go that side, yeah.
For some time now, you guys have been seeing Edodemose flyers and flyers on social media, all social media platform, and just want to talk about Edodemose, the update about Edodemose. As we are all aware, Edodemose is the gathering of our people together to celebrate the good, celebrate ourselves, the beauty of Benin.
It's our
End of year party. Beauty of Benin, end of year party. Umare Supo, Naya Wowo, so there will be more. There will be a lot of activities that day. Drama.
quiz.
Quiz.
Yes. Edo quiz. Because it's question and answer now.
You know, question and answer now. Question and answer is different from quiz. Quiz is that they will say something in.
What fear my audience? Maybe I'm when you what fear my audience.
What take Bido Webo? Please tell me. You can tell me Bido. I'm a priest. You guys are just acting.
We will be doing Bido.
Bido, we be doing Bido.
So who can tell me the Bido in English?
No answer yet.
No answer yet.
Riddles.
No, what do we do now? What's all the Bidos?
Riddles.
The Bidos are a Bido.
Okay, phone real though.
Okay.
Shut the volume.
End to echo. Just load the volume. Okay. No answers yet.
No answers yet.
Mama, I'll go and check Edo
Dictionary.
Edo dictionary, Edo to English. The meaning of Bido. Riddles is correct?
Riddles, you know, Sha. I think it's Riddles.
And look at it, the first one was
Question and answer like quiz.
Yeah.
Somebody said story. They want to take us back to this story, I mean.
story. Okay. Anyway, there will be Bido, there will be Riddles, there will be quiz.
Okay, wait. Sunday said
Yeah, with story.
Riddles and joke.
Okay, Riddles and jokes. Yeah, okay. We'll do that day. Then 10-10. What's the meaning of 10? 10-10 is English now.
10-10 is English. 10-10 is a
game.
Is a local game.
Now Squid Game.
So if you know how to play 10-10, we are going to have 10-10 competition.
So that day, and there will be
10-10, 20, 30,
International item.
40.
international item. If you can sing it for us that day, there will be
Then last prayer.
a lot.
Last
No,
prayer.
we are telling you now. You have to
When the
practice.
president, how can the president? I don't win.
I don't tell you we will.
I don't catch a winner.
No.
To say it right is the winner. So
There will be a lot of games that day, and it's just the beauty of Benin, and also for us to tease
Yeah,
ourselves.
the microphone said it's tales.
Fairy tales.
Wow!
Fairy tales. But fairy tales, Riddles in Nihina. Riddles in fairy tales
you
speaking.
don't win corner, they will give gift.
Because that day,
The microphone.
Okay.
Peaceful greater way riddles and jokes.
Wow. Okay.
Good Lawani with fairy tales.
Fairy tales. Okay. Thank you for
Oyawese.
Oyawese. We learn every day. Okay. Now we'll be showcasing that day, and obviously cultural group. Igbabidemi too. Igbabidemi will be there live. I'm telling you guys now. One day Igbabidemi will come. They will be there that day by the grace of God. And in my car post in my way, the return of the boy. By the
Yes,
grace of God.
we based on it's just because of the network in Nigeria, we are supposed to have the Boy live
Now,
with us right
us
now,
now,
but the network in Nigeria has not allowed us
to
link him up.
So
Am I jumping fence?
network, I think don't be network, I have to be money.
Are we sad for you?
So by the grace of God, it will be joining us that day too, and some other artists and people in the same category with him too. So, but I showcase any yet. But from on the 3rd and 5th of December, you start seeing them one after the other. Manager where or when we okay now let's just showcase Manifesto.
Yes, watch out! You are going to see the poster. Manifesto is going to.
Someone said, "What of Edo wrestling?"
We don't get that power.
The only problem is that
Oh, but Edo wrestling, what money they hold now? They buy one, no?
And we need official referee.
We need a permit for that. That way, if they are fighting violence, behind money in London. And the Mahana one event of the wrestling. That's a good one. So we'll be having some other artists from Europe and Nigeria, and some actors too, by the grace of God, and also with the artists in UK too. So it's going to be fun. But on the Egbe local music for close to 5 hours, no stopping music. No, this is going to be different activities, music, awards, having money, the support in the UK, general, our Bumayari within the community. We need to also recognize them too, because I don't believe in going outside UK. We are recognize them and Saturday or man, we need to recognize ourselves and aware charity things at home. So we need to promote ourselves and encourage ourselves so that before we can now extend out there. So we are going to begin our awards to our people here too. Our matter what boy supporting me and do, but there are some people behind the scene. Our time, okay, we are doing this thing. They will be calling you behind the scene. One need, we need the support here. We need on now. We need there. We need on now. People that always call you when you want me and do me. And so we know everyone is supporting, but you might want more make a couple. So we need to also encourage them so that you can do more for the Edo community in here in UK and in Europe as well too. So where at time there's a parable. You want to say what correct now? I wanna do a man.
I do me Miami and Vedo. On your man same and do one of the way.
Now I feel what on your way I told you.
The manager.
Okay, the meaning is that I do a man I feel on do
Yeah.
So when he's supporting me, man, will not cover UK generally. I think now we've also extended to Europe too. And also we run with Europe too. You have a support, we support in different ways too. So we're going to recognize them and also give them awards and also to pray for them, so that next year will be better than this year. So we'll be doing that on this December by the grace of God. And the shows are going to start from my own, so I need to just go on the Kenyayi. Firstly is the first show is Nottingham on the 10th of December, which is about 3 weeks from now. Nottingham, oh yeah. If you're Nottingham, if you are watching me, or if you don't know one in Nottingham, please. No, Nottingham, we are not here. Okay. Nottingham is I've forgotten the region in that area. Is
West Midlands.
West Midlands, or even Nottingham. Nottingham. Nottingham.
They go Bazowa. This is not Igobazowa.
Nottingham, I know people around you there. So if you know you live in that Nottingham region, close to Nottingham,
Somebody said they want food competition.
Food competition.
Like eating or what or cooking?
Cooking.
Which one?
Food competition, yeah, like maybe eating, yeah, eating competition.
Okay, we look to that. No, I think it will be cooking.
Cooking will be better though.
Cooking competition so that man of a plan the event. I do the testing.
This is a winner.
Okay, that is cooking competition from Edo food, right?
Yeah.
Enyere Edonya Ogbono. Manya Owo, Manya Wo na.
We get our own. They get their own.
The house of Mama, or somebody say, where is our wife?
Okay, no worry, Mama, they come. She go come.
She run up later.
She go run up the show for you.
So as far as that food competition, before we decide, you have to tell us what food is unique
from Edo.
Bini.
Yes.
Way by Edo na Kina way. Wa mi ebe ko efeke no. Edo wa no. Ani Yoruba version.
Jollof.
Na gbina ni awe Ghana jollof abi.
Jollof.
Way by Edo na Kina. Awe mo mi po. Ave mi ebe inwo mi po wo Ghana. Or in one Yoruba, it's Oredo. So that is what we want to.
Berioni.
But I mean,
Yeah, order from Nigeria now. Order, yeah. I mean, yeah, Mula, no. Yeah, order, yeah.
What is our way Oredo?
Wedding.
Wedding Oredo.
I thought they have
wedding Oredo.
I didn't.
Oh, well, on my way,
Owó ibi Obo nya wo.
Oh, it don't work in here. It takes different.
What we want to do is
oh, well, a one bogi.
Oh, I do.
Confirm.
Yeah, I'll give a suggestion. But wait, my one bogi.
Okay, we'll look to that. That is a very brilliant this suggestion. I'm mighty way now. I will do Kinoye.
Yes.
I will. We just do full competition.
One yam.
Owoto. Manager. What do they say?
Owoto. No, you are going to
what I say? What Owoto?
Owoto.
Okay. Only at here.
So the moment the mommy already. The mommy.
No, we learn every day. We learn every day.
Of course.
We learn every day. We learn every day.
They are just requesting for a lot of musicians.
I want music in there. Let's do also
music. They should all know by now that the brand Style Lima is that we don't want to tell you we are bringing 30 people.
No, don't moment.
But before that, we will surprise you.
Yes.
As they are arriving, we will let you know.
We'll surprise you.
Don't worry.
Now they move a Heathrow. We have a cameo.
And most especially, you know, like more activities. Let's show the beauty of Benin. A lot. People do AY music. Music around the concert, you know, music from beginning to the end. Oh, now we need some little. So that everyone be involved in this one. Right. Like I was saying before, the first show is Nottingham.
That's
on the 10th of December. The time is from 4 o'clock to 10. 4 to 10. 4 to 10, Nottingham. So let's start early, then we'll finish early. And the tickets for now, I'm going to say £20. Table, I said 250. Oh, they said, don't know what do I've got a table or do increase. Or now say we want
more expensive.
Is more expensive for now. Tickets are £20 just to make it easy for
cheaper for everybody. Because 24 bit has been really considerate because it's become a big brand that
By the
other
grace of
people
God.
will take advantage and start to increase prices now.
Yeah, but
The
people don't
price
do
is
it.
the same price that we are still doing today.
Yes.
So
yes.
none of the prices has gone up.
No, we remain the same.
We
price.
remain the same. We are
Right.
not. It's not about the money.
Is about
It's about bringing
Edo
Edo
culture.
to you.
You need to, you know.
yeah.
So we need to applaud 24-bit for consistency.
Yes.
Yes, so that's
Because
very
it's not-
good.
it's not
20
easy.
pounds is very easy for us now. I had to express. If I'm in Europe or I'm in UK, one pound is 20 pounds. Just like that. Change for us. By the grace
When the
of
men
God.
buy your time in Nigeria, or when you want your tell me now say you not go see 50 pounds for inside your pocket for there. The your bill say me they told say me not get 50 naira. Now when my guy 50 naira.
Okay, they ask money.
That's a grand.
When 50 naira, where me no fit talk say me not get 50 naira now. Where na so 50 pounds be for you now.
Different.
No, not be the same. You make mistake there, my guy.
All right.
That's different.
So the 10th of
December.
of December, yes. So Nottingham, and all the tribes of Edos, Mahateme Edo,
Everybody.
Mahateme just Benin. We're talking about Isha,
Ishan,
Isako,
Afema.
Afema, Sabogidaura,
All the
All the
tribes,
tribes
that make
from
up
Edo.
the Edo state.
Ewa,
So we are talking about Edo State.
Edo
In fact,
State.
Edo State
not
event.
Benin event, Edo State event.
Everybody that is under that Edo State map.
Yeah. So Isham too. So if you are doing that food competition,
You will differentiate Ishan,
Ishan
Benin,
food.
and all.
Yes, ma'am.
Isako food, what's your
Because you already mentioned just now that there will be Igbabonemi there.
Igbabonemi.
That is not it's not a Benin thing.
no,
It's an Asian thing.
so is the
Aoshi,
how she
oh.
buy my one on the rest represent their culture Bani. So if you know you live in UK and you can
Aoshi,
showcase
contact
your
us.
donut, please contact us from that angle. We need that part. Because at the moment we got Igbabonemi on board, they will be coming, and Asian musicians will be coming too. They are superstar from Isha land.
Yes.
Surprise, surprise.
It's very big. You know, you have to the Akube of
Isha
Isha
land.
land.
No, okay,
Very big.
Are you surprised?
No, the Akube. No,
Yeah,
So,
we like that association.
Yeah.
Who is that coming?
So Isham people, you need to come and support your brother. Or there are some other dignitaries that we go awarded to by the grace of God. So they need to come. Esako, we need to see you guys. I want to make a balance. Everybody the same. That almost everybody should be equal. Just equal. I got to give me who. Even though I'm with the most warrior, Otesa Yahoo, or Yahoo, Aoshi, don't Yahoo, so that our buyers were Benin, we are all
No,
the
it's
same.
not. That's why it's not giving a Benin name. It's Edonimose. Everybody that belongs to that Edo state. That is what makes it Edonimose. That's the beauty of Edo.
Yes,
It's everybody that comes together that makes that beauty.
Yes, sir. So, and again, if you live in UK or if you know anyone that live in UK in order to showcase our culture here, please, they should reach us. We are accessible through our social media platform. Yeah, man, people complain where our phone watching on your see one go automatically where they be calling this number. So manager, you will explain to
Yes, because we get too much calls coming in at this period.
Testing us, yeah.
Because you know, planning an event like this takes time. We cannot answer all calls. We cannot return calls. So we are what do we phone? What do we 25 missed call? Am I did the charge card? Because some of these calls are even international.
Yeah, it's true. Yeah. A lot of
Spain, Italian,
Please,
voice note.
help us. Not even a voice note. I mean, a voice note in the complicity.
Why are you going to tell them there's other tribes involved? Okay, bye.
Come, they want to see you, madam.
They're still a few, eh?
So, what we want is that if you want to reach us, leave a message. May the information
So
we
lost.
want to pass to us
Straight.
the message.
We'll get back to you
We
definitely.
will get back to you. The
Straight.
message anyway. Write it in a message. Or the message in we will reply that
Or the
message.
good voice notes. We can
Yes.
on the
Yes. Can go reply
so you
to
can
you.
express yourself better than once you want to do
But
along.
once we
How to
acknowledge,
reach you back? We bring you.
yes, once we acknowledge your message, please don't keep bugging us about it. Because if you are talking about bringing an artist now, we have a whole lot of it. Your artist, if you give us an artist that you want us to bring, it's on the list.
Next batch properly, but
It's on the list.
not on this very one.
It's on the list. So if you write us a message, once we acknowledge it that we have seen your message, we will look into it.
Yes. And there's other surprises again for if you know your child or those of us that came from Asan land, Afema side, and Unawe, if you know your children can speak your language,
Or read ABCD in your language.
you can speak ABCD, maybe 1 to 50 or 1 to 20, 1 to 20 on your language, or they can.
When I hear is that if you have a child that is under 10 that can engage,
12.
okay, 12, that can engage an adult no zebuni. So under 12 full omonabiere mana no eti engaging me with a do.
Do language for instance, Benin language.
So with Esako now, under 12 Ishan, under 12 that can engage. So Tahiari Bene, adult in here script.
Yes.
No, yeah, engage on money. So that is going to be this type of competition. So
there, yes.
the adult will have a script. So engage. If you know your child that is under 12 can engage an adult fully and fluently,
there's a gift for that child.
there is a gift.
And the best dressed tribe will also win a gift. Ishan, Isako, Benin. We're not dressing our culture say maybe more a gift in it too. This is the only way for us to showcase our culture and to able to know. In where is our man good dressing. African memorial too.
Yes,
Benin is the one.
Already Benin is very common. But already
Benin different types. So depend on
The best dress was the
how
something
you want to
anyway.
go about it.
yeah. So and you dress your song and who can sing their own tribe song too. Apart from fact, Mama they're doing now because it went open. So any of your children that can sing your tribe song.
Yes.
From down that one 12 downwards, not
12,
somewhere Ishan or Esako. Mama gift in there.
So go and practice.
Go and practice
So
now.
do something.
We've got time.
We are not deciding the song.
No, we
You
can
decide
decide
what you can do. So but once you pick a song, those way a chorus, you sing the song up to down. So it's going to be a sort of
So-
we want to make it fun.
So I want to make it fun. And again too, if you have any suggestion for the government, when the government will for the culture too, please also let us know. By the grace of God, we know some part of some government too. In Maunaya Dege,
Yes, yes.
So anything you want the government to do for the culture, let us know. Then we'll pass it to them. Then they will still look into it too. So please Ishan, Isako, which is Afema. Isako, Afema, what is different? Look, man, and is it different? Someone will come and tell the difference between Isako and Ishan.
No,
Afema. So someone will come and tell us
They
that.
go back to the dates for every other event, so not the dates.
So
on my way, banker also.
Igbanke is from Edo State. Igbanke is Edo State. Igbanke is under Agbo. Obanji with Agbo.
Agbo is a money Agbo Edo State.
Okay, yes.
So
So
in the Edo State
We are here to learn.
we are here to learn.
Show us more proof.
So
then we can
please,
take it on
and
board.
we also need this this information, how to protect our Edo culture and pass it to the next generation. So if you have any idea, please let us know. If I'm aware, by the grace of God, since we've got followers, so we can also use this medium to pass that information. Just tell us how to protect our culture, since we stand for our culture and to protect our cultural heritage. Please, if you have ideas, anyone, let us know. Then
So welcome. We'll take it on
please,
board.
we'll take it on board. Now, the second show will be on the first one is Notanti on the 10th of December. While the second one is the address. I will put all the flyers on my platform because I think so yeah, we'll post here the pictures. Then we'll contact for the tickets in those areas too. People who are organizing those parts, contact them. They will tell you how to get tickets. Then the next one is Liverpool. Liverpool is on the 11th. Liverpool is on the 11th of December. Same time, no, it's 3 o'clock. I ain't here some done. 3 o'clock. I have some done. We finish 11 with Liverpool. 3 to 11 on the 11th of December. Liverpool. Then on Sunday, which is on the 12th. You are thinking. Glasgow, Scotland. Almost 12 hours driving. Any argument there? When they argue,
we bank Delta State, you know, and so we bank.
It's over Edo State, you know.
But we need proof.
We need
We are here to learn.
Who can tell us? Maybe we will see the government of Haitaniman and our government of Haitaniman and the government.
That's only
Bank is Oriomo. So we want confirmation. If you are from the banker, and you are
what do you
Edo
belong to?
State,
Please
Tell us.
update us what you belong to.
Tell us where.
Tell us if you are a banker, you are Delta State.
Please,
or if you
people
are a
come
banker-
that day. Come that day.
Yes.
Come and tell us what you belong to.
Call us. Come that day, please. We will give you that mic to tell us.
Bankers from Edo State.
Don Zua said the banker is Edo State, Oriomo.
Edo State, you know. Edo State, you know.
Don Zua, are you from there?
Can you come that day, please?
Please be there.
They don't need now. Dozuwa.
Eh.
They don't need him. Your new song. Oh, okay. Thank you for your new song. Thank you for your new song. So, on the 12th, Scotland. Hey, see on that journey again. Only what I think every day now we can't happen to want to drive that place again. On that 12 hours drive again. Hey, boss, the more one you can't go more than 60 miles per hour. Oh, I go across. Anyway,
We'll get there.
We'll get there. We pray for God to give us the grace to do that. Glasgow.
Destiny, Desmond.
This month. Is every gay.
Bankers, Netherlands.
Wait, Becca is from Netherlands.
I like your style.
Commenters Association.
Is England.
Salute Scotland.
Alright, so we'll get Magami
Somebody throw the more light on it away. Igbanke is Edo State, but speak Ika.
Okay.
She's right. She's correct. She's correct.
So Igbanke is from Edo. So Igbanke people, I want people to come that day.
Yes.
To showcase.
We want to because what this means now is that
please, you are
people
coming
don't
with your
know. People
dressing.
don't know about you that much.
Yes. If you
Come and
show
showcase
us,
yourself.
please come and show. We will give you time to talk, to showcase your culture for that part of the world of Edo State too.
Okay.
So we really appreciate you guys. On the 12th again, Glasgow. The time is from 4 to 10. 4 to 10, Glasgow, Scotland, Aberdeen, Johnson. They will not be second with Aberdeen, Johnson, Belfast. No, Belfast City. Scotland. Glasgow is all the capital. I mean, is it Aberdeen? I don't know. Okay. Anyway,
Glasgow, you know.
Area
Local government area.
so Scotland. But it will be held in Scotland and in Glasgow. And this Glasgow is the capital on the central near. So the event will be held there that day. Then where to purchase your tickets. If any information about that event to be on this platform, follow up ticket the same £20, then table £25, £250 with brandy.
Table of 8
with brandy by the grace of God. We will not say we're talking about the particular brandy, but brandy is brandy.
Now we don't even want to stress on brandy. We are going to put drinks. There's going to be drinks.
Drinks. Okay.
There's going to be because we want
like a kind
yes, we don't because with our last event we were talking about brandy. There are some tables they rather have
wine,
two bottles of wine,
yes,
or a bottle of champagne.
Yeah.
So it depends on. So we don't want to say it's brandy.
We'll do like if you have a choice, let us know.
Yes,
if we have
but don't give us
a man of God, a man of
yeah,
God,
the way you're brandy no Harry now.
another way, okay, the religious people here, they only want non-alcoholic.
Yes, now.
So it's not brandy to say.
You buy a ticket, let us know where your brand is.
Yes, if you buy a table.
Yeah, you just tell us what you want in the table.
Yes, and I know it's going to be fun that day. Again,
The person with a call from Romania.
Okay.
Romania. I hate you.
Romania. I greet. Romania, drop your message through text or voice note.
I even direct call before.
Okay. Then the upper week, which is on the 18th, is Birmingham. Birmingham stroke Wolverhampton on the 18th. Then the show is going to start Birmingham. Your show is going to start 3 p.m. till late. If anybody in charge of running to, we also put the ticket again is £20. But on that day of the event,
on the gate is more expensive.
Ticket will change you ahead. You can't give my end. Ticket will change.
Your wife.
My wife, please don't worry. My wife will come. She will come. She will come. Where you are on our assignment for school tomorrow or something.
Somebody is requesting to join the live.
Not now.
No,
not now.
A lot of people, by a lot of people.
Please, not now, please, because so we can pass our information proper, and because of another by life that they're going to
pass information.
So on the 18th of December, Birmingham by the grace, Birmingham stroke Wolverhampton by the grace of God. Then the December 19th is Manchester United.
When they are fearful.
Manchester. Mama will go with the four.
Only mama.
What if for?
I
saw us for
Glasgow. I will say we are the 50-50 resident.
I do a show in Manchester when a coffee shop in Yana in Pudi, you connect to the public. Coffee ya drive. Ya muje coffee shop e o buse. I we coffee one na. I ya here with the next toilet.
I said, why stop?
I will stop.
I will continue.
I will continue.
Mama is the banana pack my mama here.
We'll not sleep.
We still follow though.
We're not
We're
sleeping.
not going to about 4 in the morning now.
We're not
We still
sleeping.
follow though. How we allow na gabi e kare.
You 24 bit ya ile giye ke o mai me o beti me before. Next stop.
Let's It was only 4. Anyway, then Birmingham on the 18th of December, Manchester on the 19th of December. Then a week in Monday, we'll take a recess.
Yeah.
On the 24th, we'll be at home to celebrate for the Christmas. 25th Christmas.
26.
26th, London. We'll do London by the grace of God.
That
26th,
London show is going to be. We are aiming to maintain the standard.
by the grace of God. And this time around, we'll try not to go above the capacity. When that last one, that hall, we have 40 tables. Yeah, he close to 70. It was
75 now. We'll go.
75 tables. It was too much. And thank God the way police married, and there was nothing like any emergency.
Police arena, but it was quiet.
It was
outside,
quite.
so
No, God forbid, but I got me soon now. We would have been in trouble because that capacity was supposed to be 40 tables. And we made 75 tables.
Yeah.
So much. So this time around, please.
So please get early.
In my email, you talk.
Early, very important.
Once it's 40 tables,
That's it.
we will.
So,
We don't want to
we have restructured the tabling system. Once you buy, you are getting your table number immediately.
Yeah.
So once you hear
Table 1.
once you hear you are buying table 38.
When we walk by,
Oh wait.
we're going to last person.
That's it. 39,
Okay,
40.
40,
Okay, man.
So if you,
So we don't want to go above it. If you completed just 40 tables, please, allow I understand. At the moment now, I know about 12 tables already sold. And people that believe in us, where Mario, well, as far as we that is doing it, will be there. And which we appreciate.
the 12 table plus my time the other tables in Aka
single ticket.
Aka reserve anybody that is buying table now is getting at least table 20 something.
No,
so 20
I'm putting that for you.
So far, I mean, over 5 already.
5 tables already. Okay.
So table 20 something.
So please, let's try to. It's not like Mario Adoyo told the at the last. Because from on the 3rd of December, yeah, so I really after the other. Imagine that rush need. Let's try because that period has busy. So please, okay, not one for them. The closest city to us here now is Birmingham.
They're out for London now. London.
It's true.
26,
London
then
the last one.
Ireland is the last one, 28. So
London the last one. Okay, well, then please, you can join us on January show in Nigeria, if possible, online or otherwise.
she's reached London.
DJ team Kate Edo Usaigi say you should keep.
No way, I don't keep it. I don't keep it. I say I two now. I don't keep her. Don't worry.
Where one I look for
I don't keep her. Oh man, I don't keep it. Don't worry.
say don't keep her.
No, Allah.
So we manipulate
People are asking, we are in London.
We are in London.
We are in London.
Same location.
same venue, Rivers of Life. We're going to post it there.
Either thing. Which one will they be online?
Because I tell you now, we're going to post everything in there,
Yes.
all the
Informations.
flyers. We'll put them on this after the video. Our moya so that once you show the one you will get. There is city where we don't see city where.
Then you make a call and get
Make a ticket
before the date.
Before the date.
Because at the gate, you might not get it on the gate. If it's sold out, it's sold out.
So that
And the 24 you remember, we are still. If you want to bring this show to a
city
city,
close to you.
we are still open. That's why we are giving you the dates that we have booked.
Okay. And the only date no free now is on the 17th.
Yes. And you know that.
I think we show on Thursday night. Why are you doing that? I think we show on Wednesday.
Another thing is just, it's not just that a date is not free in India. It also matters a location before that date. Then I have a Glasgow, where the way the next day, a location
okay,
That's to be like on route.
Yes, he has to be on route.
Or follow
up. I mean, all
it's true. Like now we're going to Northampton on the 10th. From there to Liverpool. Liverpool to Glasgow.
So
3 or 4 hours.
Anyway, between Liverpool and Glasgow, we don't show you
Liverpool then
Brighton
or Luton. I don't know.
True.
And end to end though.
End to end, no.
So Chata is flatty by.
They'll be tired. So, London is on the 26th of December. By the grace of God, it's going to be an awesome night for us too. Then on the 28th of Ireland.
Dublin,
yeah. Dublin, yes, sorry. 28th, we are coming to Dublin by the grace of God on the 28th. In only way aware in Yankees rules where you cannot go above 12 o'clock midnight for social gathering because of the COVID issue. So once it's 12 o'clock,
I can't hear.
no, okay, what am I saying? What's it called? The 4 o'clock in the morning. Was it 4 o'clock in the morning? But because of the COVID issue now, I changed it to 12. So by 12. So obviously we cannot stop by 12. By 11 we'll stop. So now the starting time will be 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. Before it was 7 o'clock to daybreak. But now we're starting 4 o'clock till 12. Dublin, we are coming through by the grace of God.
That'll be the last show.
The last show for the year. And one very, very important information in my past. Please, me, I believe in God. I don't know any other place now seeking power apart from Salobo. So wagamo room make COVID na ya no see you. So that it will not
scare people away.
It will not affect the event and it will not scare people away and they should not put restriction. So now more room. That the boy more restriction yo. Yeah, I'm 12 o'clock, no problem. But the way sorry lockdown, go away Austria is
going on lockdown tomorrow.
So
Netherlands lockdown already. Holland full lockdown already.
Wow.
Somebody's asking you, when are you coming to Canada?
Canada is next year June. Coming to June, we're coming to Canada. Let me just pass information to people are watching from around the world.
Yes.
Canada, June, we'll be coming to Montreal, Toronto, and Calgary. Those 3 cities.
That is what we have
at the
Moment.
moment.
If you want more cities, let us know.
Toronto,
Get in touch.
Calgary, and Montreal. Those 3 cities from first week of June.
And a squad in a diva, it's none that you have seen before.
Here can be soon.
Yes. Oh no, I'm talking in that location.
Okay, yeah.
The ball will come in there. We might make combination.
No.
Yes.
So Canada, get ready for the Sons of the Legends and some other
And then one more thing. One thing is people that are asking for the venues. Please visit the page.
Visit our page.
Visit the page. You will see the venue there. And tickets. Getting of tickets.
Information are on the page.
The numbers are there.
Yes, the numbers are on the page and on the flyers.
Mm-hmm.
If there is any special arrangement, anything special, leave a message.
Yes, voice notes.
Once you leave
So
a
we
message
can
or a
express
voice
ourselves more.
note, we will get back to you.
And also, we are open for sponsors.
Yes, so
Suppose the program in your city.
On your discussions
Very
in
important.
yeah, there is one other important sponsors in Mewagwalo. My people in London, allow. The last one, a lot of people tried, and I provide drinks, and Mama gave us food, and Mrs. Ojo to provide food for us.
Lots of people really, yes.
Yeah.
Please, Ogona, because my Mrs. she's doing Ohangbeji school by school, so she honestly everyone now has some assignments.
Okay, Professor.
So now the kitchen matter now.
It tight.
Kitchen matter now. So us load that we need volunteers. Please, please, we need there. Don't bother me see my let me know. I'll provide the logistic to cook.
Yeah.
Please allow.
And you see, these people, one-on-one, if you want to check out on us,
Yes.
leave a message.
Yeah,
You
you
can
can
host them.
Let's make plans.
Yes, if you want to let us know.
Yes,
Once like London then. Then you are free when you are if they are not doing the answer.
You can
Well,
host them.
okay, you are me and my friends. We are coming. We want to come and see you people.
There'll be free more.
Make arrangements. We will be able to.
There'll be free more
accommodate
because
you.
more of the artists or comedians here free more because Monday to Wednesday they will be free. Few musicians are here, which I know here has no but the other week is free for them. And these ones they are going to stay for more than a month. When they carry again less than a month now, 3 weeks now for them. But this one they will stay till January. You can still host them on your own. So let us know now and please already by me what day after. Because and cooking, please imagine when and when we
the competition I can
please please free time we can give you something to prepare food for them because madam you finish school for the year or waiting on the 22 of this December.
As when again.
That's when on the 10th. Because when you ask for we see I'm doing my project in I understand. So I been now we allow my people in London allow show us love. I'm not very okay, but somewhere in any capacity, place, anything at all, no worry. To look after our people today, we appreciate.
Also, if you have a business, you want to advertise your business.
Yes, for sponsorship.
Sponsorship is, let us know. At the moment, we have like Tap Send.
Tap is sponsoring.
It's an app to send money to Nigeria.
Yes,
interest free. You get the money in dollars. It's been. We have about 4 banks in Nigeria at the moment that also collect points in Nigeria. So it's very good to save money in Nigeria to your own account. Yes. If you don't have an account in Nigeria, Tap Send they'll send the money to your Nigeria account. They will create you a dollar account in Nigeria. Okay. So other businesses that want to advertise with us too is very important.
Okay, so, tap again. Do they have to put any code?
If you want to use the code, I have my own code. My code is DJ Timmy 27, which is D then J TIMMY 27. You get £5 off. You get £5 extra. So you send let's say you send £10 now you get 15. You now end up sending £15. Yeah. Okay. So it's very important. They are probably our sponsors and The other woman.
Yes. So let me talk about.
Hope the musicians can play instrument like the one that came the last time. Very important.
Everything about the musician.
That is covered.
On your surprise.
Surprise. Why our people they like it?
Yeah, like it.
People are talking about the cultural group that come to play. They want to come and dance. Okay, so just to emphasize more on what DJ Timo just said now, tap send. Oye Doyen, is a big company. European came migrate idea with that. Tap send is like other company in Malawi. Send they go tap oye do see. No, just that abia we so any do work that's one thing when I mentioned Sasu or when then maybe I don't hear do or we don't know but is a Benin man. Speak some little Benin. Or from Edo for that matter. So please, Tap saying is from Edo State. So let's patronize him. Let's at least that money Mahari and that company for a commission. Let's
interest free. Is interest free?
Very important.
You see, interest free. So once you put your pounds here, you get dollar account. You receive dollar back home.
Nigeria.
That's one. Then the other sponsor they get is let me be I guess
Rita.
No, Rita is a name, but our business name is I need to be very so that I can is Squares and Beauty Accessories. Squares and Beauty Accessories. In SS here in London. Yeah. She's into all those stylish stuff for hair. Cream. If you want to look beautiful, if you want to look wonderful, women, you don't want to talk
the stuff online, delivery and stuff.
They'll come and deliver to you if you want to look. Take away. Like I take my wife. We want to take away. So if you want to look, take away. She says those stuff. If you want to buy cream, if you want to buy those all those organic cream, for your hair, for your nails.
If you want to, or you bleach you.
She does those stuff. She's into all those stuff. So it's our own people. It's our own person too.
She's an Edo woman.
So we need to patronize her to please. Squares and beauty accessories. She said those stuff. Most of our people that have salons, we need to patronize her. She will give you guys discounts. Once you can't go in there, or once you want to purchase anything from her, just use our code 24-bit. She will give you guys discounts. Like we know in UK, most people that sell those stuff, they are those Asian.
Yeah.
Asian people. They are the ones that do sell those stuff. But her, she's also selling it too because our own store is not in Pekan or in Laotia. Hers is in SS here, but which is not far from us, very close to us.
She do online deliveries.
Once you contact her, she will supply just anything you want. She will come and deliver it to you. If you know the prices out there in Pekan and Laotia, she can go below and they come and give to you in your own house. So our people that have hair salon, beauty salon, patronizer, she's very good too. She's fat. When I went to her shop, fat, I said, wow, I don't really have something like this. I said, wow, this is great. I'm always happy seeing our Edo people do stuff. And this is our lady in Manchester too. She's one of the sponsors in Manchester. Susan Hair Salon. She was the first person that started hair salon in that street or that road, Muslim. Muslim, I think. Yeah, Muslim.
Yes, no, that was like
like Old Kent Road.
That was like
High Street.
Old Kent Road.
Yeah.
Old Kent Road is that's the height
of Manchester. First person that was years ago. She was the first person. It's like they don't know how to say Odion Weri. Odion Weri, like that was what I said. Odion Weri or mostly. So what to look beautiful? She's good. She will change your face to look something beautiful. If you are grateful for, you make your face more beautiful.
Susan, is she still doing tickets in Manchester?
Yeah, tickets in
Susan,
Manchester.
so that is her office, that's her saloon. It's also
it's well known there.
place where you can get tickets.
Yeah, ticket there too. And there's other group too, which I didn't want to divide to that too, but it's good to let people know that those are doing well in UK. There's other group too called Adorable Sisters or Ladies or Club in Manchester. If you have that passion of becoming a nurse, becoming a healthcare worker, contact those people. Because everybody in that group, they are into healthcare. They are professionals in healthcare, NHS. Let me use that word, NHS. A lot of people that migrated from different parts of the world, that came to UK, they don't know how to go about it. Look for that group. They are in Manchester too. Everybody in that group, from doctor to assistant. So they will tell you how to go about it. You see how people are really trying. It's not that when you come to a new town, you don't know how to go about it. What should I do? If you contact these people, adorable sister or adorable ladies in Manchester, they will tell you how to go about it. Trust me, they will tell you how to go about it. What to get, where to train. In fact, some of them have agency here. They can fix you and do.
If you need
job, maybe or being aware before you get into your that contact adorable ladies. They are good with it. Then there's our brother too. Soft money. Austin Asia, you know what? Soft money is into exporting and importing of cars, family cars, not little cars, BB cars. And if you want to start your business too, you don't have to go about it. If you live in that Manchester or even in London, contact Soft Money. Because when I found out the kind of business of Soft Money, in fact, I was saying, Soft Money, you need to tell me how to go about it. I need to also be doing exports and sorry about that. I didn't understand. So
just carry on.
So Soft Money will be there to tell you if you want to start business, if you want to go into export and business, import and export, any business plan, contact Soft Money. Also in London too, if you want to ship your stuff to Nigeria, to Africa, Lugard Export is there.
Lion Ventures
is there. Era is there, and a lot of people, if you want to buy our stuff back home in if you want to look like our queen, if you want to just like a Benin prince, Mrs. Alari there in Peckham, she's there to do that for you. So please, we just stay a little. Stay just for a few minutes, but so we're going to end this again. Just to go back to our this thing again. January 10th, not 11th.
January, not
December
So,
10th.
I was trying to rush. This year, December 10th, Northampton, 11th, Liverpool, 12th, Glasgow. The upper week, 18th is Birmingham.
Okay.
19th is Manchester. Then
26
is London.
28th
28th is Ireland, Dublin. Then after that, they will now go to Nigeria by the grace of God. On the 11th of January, we'll be doing.
That is going to be. It's not going to be. If you miss this, you miss this. You either there or not.
That will be on one.
In Nigeria is. Nigeria is not testing. This is not. We are going to have testing the mic in London. There is no testing the mic in Nigeria.
It's boom, 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 boom. Music. We'll have the superstars.
It's superstars.
Superstar. Like
Superstars.
Akube, Amima, Bolivia, Wonderful Twins, and Erisele. They are all going to be there. And some other ones too. And some of the legends too. They'll also be there. And our legends as well. We're going to celebrate them too.
We are having lots of artists. we won't be able to
Let me
accommodate
give 24.
this. But we are going to do our best.
Yes, definitely.
Okay. Oh, yeah, we'll read this.
Yes, and our brother too. Our brother that came is okay. So the ONs,
They are rated.
they have their own
Renters.
canopies, tent, chairs, parties, utilities, and all that. If you want the best
And music too.
anything
Oh,
concern
I'll
party.
join now.
If you want to do party in Benin,
Not living anywhere in
Edo.
Nigeria.
Once you
Anywhere.
get
Edo,
to,
Edo,
once you
yeah.
get to
who have been tested there, no, I don't know.
Edo, my deliver outside Edo
On
shop.
music,
Edo, Nigeria.
anywhere in Nigeria.
Anyway, Nigeria, if you just want to contact one particular company, the ONs, contact them. I will put their number on my platform too.
yes, we're going to share the
Yeah,
that.
so this is
The flyer.
flyers there. The ONs is people know it's okay now. The ONs is what they do, and just look at stuff they supply too as well. You see, so
That's going to be on the page.
on the page as well.
Come
So
back and share to see it.
just, and if you want a discount, once you call them, say 24 bit, they will give discount.
Discount, yeah.
You let me know. So everyone, thank you for staying with us, and we'll be giving you guys updates time to time. And we love you guys. If there's anything my admit here, give up around my then we'll put it on
There'll be more
the
updates. As time goes on.
Yes.
Thank you guys, and we look forward to see you guys on the 10th of
11th.
December.
From on the 10th,
Yes.
and once our artists start arriving, you are going to be getting more live
More
videos.
details, more
details, yeah.
updates will come in.
Yes.
Thank you guys. Love you and good
Nice.